Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're a homeowner in Johor, you already know that renovating your home can be one of the absolute most stressful experiences you'll ever go through. Between finding the right materials, managing the budget, and dealing with our unpredictable weather and humidity, it is just a lot to juggle. But what if I told you there's a way to skip all that stress entirely? Today, we're going to walk through a highly structured, totally hassle-free guide to modern home solutions that will completely transform the way you think about your living spaces. We're looking specifically at the incredible innovations from AmpQuartz, a super trusted name right here in Johor.
Okay, let's dive into this. We've all dealt with the traditional headaches of kitchen cabinetry, right? You install beautiful wooden cabinets, and a few years later, you're dealing with warping wood, peeling laminates, those stubborn turmeric stains, and the absolute nightmare of moisture and rot. It's incredibly frustrating. But what if we could completely eliminate those issues? What makes a kitchen truly indestructible in the face of heavy Malaysian cooking and high humidity? Well, the answer lies in a complete material shift.
The solution? Fully aluminum kitchen cabinets. And the operative word here is fully. We're not just talking about slapping an aluminum door onto a wooden frame, we're talking about a complete structural shift. The cabinetry is made entirely of aluminum. The back panels, the drawers, the shelves, the whole shebang. It's a fundamental redesign of how a kitchen is built from the inside out, offering a level of durability that traditional materials simply can't match.
To navigate this, we'll break it down into 4 quick sections. First, why choose aluminum? Second, decoding the G series. Third, beyond the kitchen. And finally, the AmpQuartz difference.
Section 1. Why choose aluminum? Let's look at the specific benefits driving families in Johor Bahru to make this massive shift.
It really boils down to these highly functional benefits. First off, aluminum is 100% moisture and rust resistant. It's completely non-absorbent, meaning a spill won't seep in and ruin it. And it's fire resistant, which is a massive safety upgrade for any kitchen. Plus, because it uses zero wood, you're making an eco-friendly choice that actively prevents deforestation. From a daily use perspective, it easily withstands heavy equipment and intense heat. And when you're done cooking, effortless cleaning. Literally just wipe it down with a damp cloth. It completely eliminates your daily kitchen headaches.
Now, I want to be completely transparent with you. So let's compare the aluminum reality against what you'd traditionally expect. Traditional kitchens require heavy maintenance and are super prone to stains and rot, while aluminum offers an effortless wipe-clean surface. Now, can aluminum dent upon heavy impact? Yes, it is sturdy, but extreme force can dent it, whereas wood might chip or warp. And sure, aluminum has a higher initial cost, but here's the real kicker, the long-term cost. Because you don't need frequent repairs or full replacements down the line, those initial costs translate into massive, cost-effective savings over the lifetime of your home.
Let's move to Section 2 and see how this builds, decoding the G series. If you've looked into aluminum cabinets, you've probably heard terms like 3G, 4G, or 8G thrown around, and honestly, it can feel like confusing jargon, but it's actually very simple. Think of it exactly like your smartphone. Just like a phone releases a new generation with better features each year, cabinet technology evolves too. It's a tech tree. Each generation builds upon the successes of the last one, giving you a wider range of options depending on your budget and your style.
Let's walk through this evolution. It starts with Generation 3, the 3G series, which features a glossy, crystal spray-painted glass that's incredibly sturdy. 4G steps it up with a sleek, frameless acrylic look. Then 5G increases the durability with incredibly high scratch resistance for busy kitchens. Then we hit 6G, which is a massive structural leap that introduces a lightweight, heat-resistant honeycomb core. Now, shifting to the absolute premium finishes, 7G is the signature series bringing premium anti-fingerprint coatings. And finally, we reach 8G, the Fusion series, featuring ultra-thin, seamless edges for the absolute pinnacle of modern, minimalist design.
To make it even easier to digest, you can group these generations into 3 simple steps of innovation. Step 1 is all about core strength. The 3G to 5G generations focused on making frames sturdy and highly scratch-resistant. Step 2 is structural innovation. That's the 6G honeycomb core providing maximum strength without added weight. And Step 3 is premium finishes. The 7G and 8G models where the focus shifts to luxurious anti-fingerprint surfaces and seamless aesthetics. This just helps you grasp exactly what you're paying for as you decide to upgrade.
Section 3. Beyond the kitchen. Exploring whole home solutions.
Once you experience the durability of these materials, you realize they really aren't limited to just cooking spaces. While your kitchen requires a hyper-focus on heat, moisture, and supporting heavy-duty equipment, AmpQuartz applies this exact same structural integrity to whole home solutions.
We're talking custom wardrobes that elegantly organize your bedroom, sleek TV cabinets that perfectly manage your living room cable clutter, and highly durable shoe cabinets that keep your entryway completely tidy. You can seamlessly match that indestructible design language across your entire house.
Section 4. The AmpQuartz Difference. Why expert installation matters.
So, who is AmpQuartz? Well, they aren't just a pop-up contractor. They've been an established, highly trusted name in Johor Bahru since 2015, operating right out of their locations in Taman Gaya and 𝐍𝙬𝙖𝙘𝙝. They really understand the exact needs of families here.
And over the past decade, they've built immense community trust, successfully serving over 2,000 happy customers. That is over 2,000 homes transformed and families enjoying a completely hassle-free renovation process.
And their track record brilliantly illustrates that commitment with a glowing 4.8 Google star rating. Look, in the renovation industry, where delays and hidden costs can be so frustrating, maintaining a 4.8 rating is definitive proof of their guaranteed works and their incredibly stringent quality control.
Their ethos is perfectly captured by this quote: "We believe renovations should be joyful and hassle-free." They take a highly empathetic, family-first approach to everything they do. They're also super focused on ESG, environmental, social, and governance. By using sustainable materials and smart practices, they are actively protecting the environment while simultaneously saving your family money in the long run. It's absolutely a win-win.
And they back up that philosophy with specific, customer-first benefits designed to completely remove your stress. You get totally free 3D design and measurement to visualize your space before you even commit. They offer a fantastic 0% interest financing plan for up to 24 months, making premium quality super accessible. You get to work with expert interior designers, enjoy transparent, direct-from-factory pricing with zero hidden fees, and you even get 24/7 support during the entire installation phase. It's a completely worry-free package.
Now, what's really interesting about this next part is a very special promotion. You might be wondering, wait, a massage chair with a kitchen? Yes, actually. No way, right? But yes.
For the month of September, ending on the 30th, AmpQuartz is running their biggest cabinet promotion of the year. If you order any kitchen cabinet package, you get a free massager, limited to the first 70 units. But if you go for the ultimate whole house deal, outfitting your kitchen, wardrobes, and living spaces, you get a free massage chair worth 2,299 ringgit. This is extremely limited with only 30 chairs available. It's a fantastic incentive, so if you're on the fence, you will absolutely want to act fast and reach out to their consultants, Vincent or Jasmine, before these are gone.
So I leave you with this final thought. Your kitchen is the heart of your home. It's where meals are made, where family gathers, and where memories are built. Isn't it time you built it to last a lifetime? By shifting to fully aluminum cabinets with AmpQuartz, you aren't just buying storage, you're investing in peace of mind, supreme durability, and a joyful, indestructible home. Thank you so much for joining me in this explainer. I hope you found this guide incredibly valuable for your next renovation journey.